Building an autonomous AI agent usually means stitching together a mess of separate API keys. You have one account for reasoning, another for web search, and yet another for image generation, all with independent billing cycles and rate limits to track. The Nous portal solves this by replacing that multi-provider network with a single centralized gateway. One account gives your agent access to over 300 frontier models and a complete suite of enterprise tools. In this video, we are going to do three things: install the Hermes Agent locally, connect it securely to the Nous portal, and verify that it can autonomously interact with your computer's environment. Before we start, make sure you have three things ready: an open terminal window, Python with pip installed, and an active portal subscription. We are moving away from storing highly privileged API keys in plain text. By utilizing a dynamically refreshed OAuth token, we secure the agent's operations and simplify operational scaling. Step 1 is downloading the core software. In your terminal, type pip install Hermes-agent and hit enter to pull down the binaries. Next, you need to run Hermes post install. This script provisions your operating system with the background dependencies the agent needs, like Node.js for local parsers and FFmpeg for processing audio streams. Once that finishes, you must reload your shell profile. Run source.bashrc or source.zshrc so your system recognizes the new Hermes command path. If you skip this preparation step, your agent will lack the native tools to read local files or handle media. The host environment must be ready before the agent wakes up. With the software installed, we link it to your account. Run the command Hermes setup-portal. On a local desktop, this command automatically triggers your default web browser and opens the Nous portal authorization page. Once you click Authorize, the system securely stores your refresh token. It then rewrites your local configuration file, instantly routing all web searches and image generation tools through the portal gateway. This automated local loopback bypasses the need to manually juggle credentials. Your agent is now armed with top-tier models and tools, fully authenticated in seconds. That setup is frictionless on a laptop, but it gets tricky if you are deploying the agent on a remote, headless cloud server. This diagram shows the problem. The remote server sends an authorization redirect to a local loopback port, but your browser is on your local laptop, creating a gap the token cannot cross. To bridge this, we use secure SSH port forwarding. On your local terminal, run this exact SSH command. The -n flag is critical. It ensures no remote shell is opened, dedicating the connection entirely to holding the network tunnel open. Now run the portal setup command on the remote server. Copy the generated URL, paste it into your local browser, and approve it. The authorization code travels back through the encrypted tunnel, safely delivering the token to the remote listener. If your network policies strictly prohibit SSH tunneling, you can run the setup command with a --manual paste flag. This lets you copy the final redirect URL directly from your browser's address bar and paste it back into the terminal. Mastering this network bridge unlocks your ability to deploy powerful, unattended Hermes agents to run autonomously on high-performance, enterprise-grade cloud infrastructure. Let's test the connection. Type Hermes-2e to launch the textual user interface and start your first interactive session. We need a highly verifiable prompt. Ask the agent to check your current directory and tell you what looks like the main project file. Watch the screen carefully. You should see the agent use local file reading tools to interrogate the directory. You will also see its internal monologue enclosed in think tags as it analyzes the results. Check the welcome banner at the top of the interface. This confirms the active provider is registered as the Nous portal. A successful directory scan proves the system is integrated. The agent can now operate directly within your computer's environment. If that file scan worked, your job here is done. You have successfully established a secure, fully autonomous agent pipeline. From here, you can swap the agent's cognitive reasoning engine mid-task. If a basic coding prompt turns into heavy mathematics, just type /model and shift to a different model without dropping your session history. If you prefer a visual interface over the terminal, type Hermes dashboard. This spins up a local web server to manage your configurations, API keys, and session histories cleanly in your browser. Next, try out the native voice mode for real-time multimodal processing, or use the background scheduler to set up unattended recurring cron jobs. The Nous portal handles the heavy lifting of infrastructure. You no longer have to manage token limits across a dozen platforms. Your time goes strictly towards designing complex workflows and building autonomous intelligence.